What are those mistakes that you need to avoid as a tailor that can ruin your brand? So I'm going to be sharing those mistakes here in order for you to avoid them and also to grow faster in your business. So I'm going to be using myself as an example because I've made some of these terrible mistakes that have almost made me quit tailoring just when I thought I had everything figured out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. So over here we talk about tailoring, fashion designing and business tips that will help you grow your skill and brand. So in today's video, I'm going to be listing out those mistakes that you need to avoid, especially as a beginner, in order to run a successful fashion brand. So let's get started. My mistake number one was not having ideal customers. At first, I used to sew for everybody, young girls, men, lecturer, even kids, because I thought more customer meant more money. But the truth is that when you sew for everybody, you confuse your style. Ever since I picked out my customers, women who love classy, ready-to-wear piece, everything became easier for me. My design started to stand out and my sales grew. That was how I knew that having a target customer is very important, especially in this our business. And my mistake number two is buying too much fabric without planning. I used to buy fabric just because it looked beautiful. I don't plan what I want to make with those fabric, but I will just buy it. Before I knew it, I had piles of unused material. But now I only buy fabric when I have design sketch or plans that I want to make use of that fabric for, which in a way saves you money. My mistake number three was ignoring finishing and fitting. One thing that separates a professional from a beginner is finishing. I hope you know. I could remember then I lost some of my customers because my outfits as of then were not properly ironed. The edges were not neat and my fitting wasn't even perfect. But now, if I take extra time to press my outfit, package it, and each piece looks like it's going to a fashion house or a fashion runway, so you have to take your time and iron your clothes and package it well. My mistake number four was poor pricing. Remember, this is my story, so I'm trying to tell you so that you can be able to avoid them. Poor pricing. This one really hurt me so much. I charged too low. Because I didn't want to scare my customers away. At the same time, I got to realize that cheap prices make people doubt your quality. I don't know if you understand. Today, I price confidently because I know my value and the effort behind each design is worth the price. So I'm telling you today, don't limit your words. Put that price tag on your clothes, they will still buy it. Just like the effort behind that outfit, behind that design, put that price. And my mistake number five was comparing myself with others. This is so alarming because going through social media then made me feel like I'm not doing enough. I'll compare myself with others. I'll be like, why is this person doing better than me? What am I not doing right? I will always compare myself and I forgot to ask myself, how many years have this person been in this business? Then I will look at other designers and feel like I was behind, not doing so enough. Then I had to sit myself down and give myself advice because I get to realize that comparison started killing my creativity. Once I started focusing on improving my own work, my brand identity, and I grew stronger to today. So that's the mistakes that I did that I would like you to avoid. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell just in case I post video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. So stay tuned because I'll be dropping another important video content soon. So stay tuned. Bye.